Have you ever wondered about the investment potential of BAE Systems? Well, you're in good company. BAE Systems shares have been an impressive investment. Over the past 2 years, the price has almost doubled. Thinking about purchasing shares in this defense company today? It's a smart move. This stock is solid as a rock with potential for both growth and income. So, what's driving this trend? Well, it's a sad reality that the world we live in is characterized by heightened geopolitical tension. This means governments cannot afford to neglect defense and security. From aircraft and submarines to cybersecurity, these are top priorities. This environment is advantageous for defense companies like BAE Systems. Recently, BAE Systems was awarded an $8.8 billion contract by the U.S. Department of Defense to maintain and operate a U.S. Army ammunition plant in Tennessee. Furthermore, Britain's Ministry of Defense announced a £405 million investment to upgrade a missile system used by the Royal Navy. This will also benefit BAE Systems. Looking ahead, the prospect of a Trump victory in the U.S. election could further boost defense companies. Analysts at Deutsche Bank suggest that a Trump victory might revive discussions of a U.S. exit from NATO and accelerate European defense investment. Now let's talk numbers. The company is projected to generate revenue of £26.7 billion this year, up from £21.3 billion in 2022. That's a significant 2-year growth of 25%. Moreover, earnings per share are expected to be 67.7 pence, up from 55.5 pence in 2022. This indicates a healthy growth rate, a key driver of share price gains. However, with a forward-looking price-to-earnings ratio of 17, the stock is pricier than it was a few years ago. Nonetheless, many believe there's still potential for gains in the coming years. City brokers seem to share this view. Berenberg, for instance, just raised its target price to 1,220 pence from 1,170 pence. In addition, a decent dividend is on offer. Currently, the yield is about 2.7%. Considering this yield, investors could expect to see total returns of around 7 to 10% annually in the future. Now, there's always the possibility of a near-term pullback, particularly if geopolitical tension eases. But taking a long-term view, this stock is likely to provide solid returns. In conclusion, the backdrop for BAE Systems is favorable, and this could lead to solid long-term returns for those who own its shares. So if you're considering an investment in the defense sector, BAE Systems is worth a look. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to follow me for more awesome content like this.